Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about drunk.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular website, and you can see at the top of the web page they have mentioned that free shipping on orders over $69 and 8% off on your first order. So these are the deals that they are offering, and also they are claiming to ship at a worldwide level, guys. And apart from that, this is the online site that deals with various products including men's fashion, tops, bottoms, suits, bikinis, women's t-shirts, casual set, and kids sets as well. So you can take a look here. This is the kids collection. This is bikini, trunks, vacation shirts, and various other fashion clothing items. So this was the offering information. Now coming to the payment information, you need to visit the payment section first. So you can make the payment via PayPal and via credit card, debit card, including MX, JCB, MasterCard, PayPal, and Visa. Now, coming to the shipping policy of this particular website, let's check out the shipping and delivery page. So, here they have mentioned the shipping duration, which is 7 to 15 days for North America, Europe, Oceania, Asia, and 10 to 20 days rest of the world. So, they have also mentioned the shipping cost. You can take a look and read for your knowledge, guys. Now, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But coming to the domain information, it was created on 18th of February 2021, and the site is registered for 1 year only, guys. So we can't claim this site legit because this is 1 month old website. And coming to the company's detail of this website, let's check out the about us page. So here is the about us page. So they have provided limited information only. No information is available regarding business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So this is a negative sign, guys. Now coming to the contact details, let's check out the contact us page. So this is the contact us page. They have provided email address which matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign. But guys, they have provided suspicious company's detail address, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, they have not provided the contact number as well. So this is one of the biggest drawbacks of this particular website that makes the site quite suspicious as well. Now coming to the social media presence of this website, at the end of the web page you can take a look that they have provided Facebook social media icon, and it means that the site has social media presence on Facebook. It comes with 209 followers, and they have recently created their profile on Facebook at February 2021. So guys, no engagement is there on Facebook. So yes, we can't claim this site legit on the basis of the social media presence of the site as well. And coming to the return policy, you need to visit the return policy page. So this is the return policy page, guys, and here they have mentioned 30 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. So guys, don't forget to comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product because it will give benefit to other customers. And talking about drunk.com reviews, we didn't found customer reviews about this site on the internet and on the official website as well. So the site is not much popular online because the trust index score of the site is 1%. And guys, the honor details are hidden on this website. Apart from that, this website is located at a high risk in a high risk country as well, and the trustworthiness score of the site is too low, guys, as I've already discussed, which is 1% only. And the internal review system is used by this particular website, guys. So there are so many loopholes, including the low Alexa rank as well. The site has low traffic on Alexa rank, so these loopholes makes the site quite suspicious. Apart from that, absence of complete contact details, low social media presence, zero security measures, unavailability of company's information, low traffic score, poor design of website led to believers that it is highly a suspicious website and possibly a scam. So guys, you need to wait for some time as this is a newly launched website. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it is a new store, guys. So I request you all to explore the entire information before making any online purchase. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.